everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get Peach Highland Poppy Seed in Heartopia Winter Frost event. In this Winter Frost event, Heartopia has a brand new flower, a Highland Poppy, and you can buy the starter seed from the NPC plant in 3 colors, red, white, and yellow. But don't worry, you can unlock many more colors using crossbreeding. And today I will show you how to get the Peach Highland Poppy Seeds. And first, make sure you already have a pink poppy flower or orange poppy flower. And if you don't know how to obtain it, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions below to watch the full tutorial. And then next, to get this peach poppy seed, you can plant these combinations close to each other like this. For example, you can just copy my pattern like this. Just place the pink or pink and orange or orange and orange like this, and then you can also place the pink or orange flower on beside the yellow or red flowers like this. You can just copy my pattern like this to get the pink Highland Poppy with the peach color. And then after planting like this, just water them and wait until they bloom. But don't harvest the flowers yet. Just keep watering daily, and eventually you will see a floating seeds appear above the plant. That means crossbreeding work. And usually this crossbreed seeds appear in the morning in the game, especially at the 6 a.m. And then to speed it up, you can ask your friends to help water your plants. Because from my experience, this really increases the spawn rate of crossbreeding seeds. And then when you successfully get the seed, you will get the Peach Highland Poppy seeds like this. That in my case, I can get this color from the pink Highland Poppy. And okay, that's how you can get the Peach Highland Poppy seed in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!